SSC MTS 2025 registration closes today. Apply now. Time's running out. If you're aiming to land a stable government job, today's your last chance to register for the SSC MTS 2025. The Staff Selection Commission, SSC, is closing the registration window for the Multitasking Staff MTS Recruitment 2025 today, July 24th, 2025. Don't miss this opportunity to apply for one of the 1,075 vacancies up for grabs. Head over to the official SSC website, ssc.gov.in, to secure your spot. As indicated in the SSC calendar, the computer-based examination for these posts is tentatively scheduled between September 20th and October 24th, 2025. Keep in mind that the Commission reserves the right to revise these exam dates, so be sure to check the official website regularly for timely updates. Are you eligible? To apply for SSC MTS 2025, you must have successfully completed Class 10 or its equivalent from a recognized board. Simple enough, right? Age limit, a closer look. For MTS and Havildar CBN positions, 18 to 25 years. For Havildar and CBIC positions, 18 to 27 years. And as per government norms, there's a relaxation in the upper age limit for reserve categories. Where could you end up working? This recruitment drive is set to fill vacancies across a diverse range of central government departments and ministries, including Central Secretariat, Press Information Bureau, PIB, Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, Department of Telecommunications, Central Board of Excise and Customs, Labor Bureau, Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Central Groundwater Board, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Central Public Works Department, CPWD, Ministry of Textiles, Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, Central Board of Film Certification, CBFC. Competition alert. Last year's SSC MTS 2024 exam saw an overwhelming response with over 57 lakh candidates vying for more than 11,500 vacancies. With 1,075 posts available this year, the competition is expected to remain fierce. Action time. To avoid last-minute hassles, complete your registration at the earliest. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think the age limit for government jobs should be more flexible? How do you prepare for highly competitive exams like SSC MTS? Share your thoughts and strategies in the comments below. SSC CHSL Exam 2025 correction window date postponed. New dates and step-by-step guide. Attention all SSC CHSL Exam 2025 candidates. The timeline for making corrections to your application has just changed, and it's crucial to stay informed. The Staff Selection Commission, SSC, has announced a delay in the opening of the correction window for the Combined Higher Secondary 10+2 Level Examination 2025, CHSLE 2025. If you need to amend any details in your application form, you can find the official notice on the SSC's website at ssc.gov.in. Originally set to commence on July 23rd and conclude on July 24th, the correction window will now be available from July 25th to July 26th, 2025. This extension provides candidates with a little extra time to ensure their applications are accurate and complete. During this correction period, each candidate is permitted to modify and resubmit their application form up to 2 times. However, it's important to note that there are fees associated with these corrections. The first correction will incur a charge of 200 rupees, while the second correction will cost 500 rupees. These fees apply uniformly to all candidates regardless of gender or category, so it's wise to plan accordingly. Payments for these correction fees can only be made online, utilizing options such as Beam UPI, net banking, or major debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, and Rupee. How to correct your application. If you find yourself needing to make changes, follow these straightforward steps. 1. Navigate to the official SSC website at ssc.gov.in. 2. Click on the login link and input the necessary details. 3. After submitting, your application form will appear on the screen. 4. Review your application and make the required corrections. 5. Proceed to pay the application fee. 6. click on Submit and download the updated page. 7. It's advisable to keep a printed copy for your records. For further information and updates, candidates are encouraged to regularly check the official SSC website. Official notice here. ssc.gov.in/API updates/version 10/2025 notice boards notice 2025.pdf. Stay updated with the latest news regarding the RRB NTPC admit card, board exams, and exam results by visiting Hindustan Times. You can also find the latest job updates and information on the NEET UG answer key there. What do you think about the postponement of the correction window? Is it a helpful extension or an unnecessary delay? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Last chance to apply for SSC MTS 2025. 1,075 vacancies closing today. Imagine this. Your chance to secure one of the 1,075 Havaldar positions in CBIC and CBN is slipping away as the SSC MTS 2025 exam registration closes today. But here's where it gets controversial. Are you ready to seize this opportunity? The Staff Selection Commission, SSC, is wrapping up the registration process for the multitasking, non-technical staff, and Havaldar, CBIC and CBN examination 2025 today, July 24th. If you're eager to apply, head over to the official website at ssc.gov.in. The Commission has revealed a whopping 1,075 vacancies for the Havaldar role in CBIC and CBN, with the final vacancy list for the MTS position to be disclosed later. Mark your calendars. The correction window opens on July 29th and shuts down on July 31st, 2025. The computer-based exams for both SSC MTS and Havaldar are scheduled from September 20th to October 24th, 2025. To qualify for the MTS role, candidates must be aged between 18 and 25 years, born between August 2nd, 2000 and August 1st, 2007. For the Havaldar position, the age range is slightly broader, from 18 to 27 years, born between August 2nd in 1998 and August 1st in 2007. Ready to apply? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Navigate to the official website, ssc.gov.in. Click on the Apply tab and select SSC MTS 2025. 3. New candidates to register and create a profile. 4. Log into your account. 5. Complete the application form. 6. Upload the necessary documents and pay the application fee. 7. Submit the form and save the confirmation page. Last updated on July 24th, 2025 at 1:41 p.m. And this is the part most people miss. Are you prepared to meet the age criteria and application deadlines? Or do you think the age limits are too restrictive? Share your thoughts and spark a debate in the comments below.